Hi, this is Greg and Miriam from Vital Health Saunas, and today we're going to talk about a topic uh, in along with the autoimmune disorders that are out there that we're hearing about all over the place. So this one we're going to really kind of specifically look at rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, now rheumatoid arthritis is getting more and more common, and I tell you, it's plaguing probably millions of Americans all over the country and the world. So I don't know that we know all the causes of it, and we're not here to really address the causes, although toxicities and all this stuff we're putting in our body or not putting in our body probably has something to do with it. However, we're just going to really talk about how to lower reduce the symptoms, okay, and live a normal life, and maybe kind of put that into dormancy, either that or reduce the escalation of the symptoms to the joints. So I'm sitting here with Miriam, and Miriam has had rheumatoid arthritis for several years. So we're going to let her talk really about her personal experience of using the infrared sauna to help treat her rheumatoid arthritis. So thanks for joining us, Miriam.
Well, thank you for having me. If you're anything like me, you go to work, you get yourself dressed, and you put all these nice things, your watch to keep you on track. And after a little while, when you come home, you just want to take everything off, including your rings and all that, because of the rheumatoid arthritis have escalated to, from the uses of the day. So what I like to do is when I get home, after and have a sauna session, I remove my jewelry, and I like to actually take a shower before I come in. But one of the things I really like and enjoy doing is I lean back to the sauna, and within the panels, depending on the joint or the bone that is inflamed or hurting most, I kind of like to do this. And I can fit on my sauna, and I can put this and kind of just put it against the walls of the heaters to alleviate the pain. And it really does help. Now I do a session anywhere from 20 to and above, depending on your fitness level. But it really relaxes. Not only relaxes me and my my body, but it relieves the joint acheness and of course the inflammation. So I highly recommend it. I use it on a regular basis, anywhere from 4 to 5, maybe sometimes 6 times a week, whatever suits your schedule.
Yeah, and I can vouch to that. She does use the sauna religiously in our home. Now, Miriam, do you when you're feeling pain in your joints and you use the infrared sauna for that session, do you feel immediate relief, or is it really something that just kind of adds up over time?
Well, I can tell you this much, that again, I like to elevate my feet because my feet do get swollen. I retain, they just get swollen. And elevating my feet and elevating that, either that elbow or that hand, that joint, it does. I could pretty much say it does bring almost immediate relief.
Very nice. And I just kind of on a positive note, Miriam, she does see a rheumatoid arthritis specialist on a regular basis, and I believe the last report was that they said that your rheumatoid arthritis is actually in remission right now. Is that true?
It really is. It's in remission. Now they don't they just don't understand why it has been in remission, but since I've been using the sauna faithfully, I have been in remission.
Very nice. Now, it is important. I just want to just point out some things that are going to be very important for if you're using the infrared sauna for treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Make sure that the sauna has very good quality heaters, okay? And the penetration angles have to be right. Now, she mentioned specifically putting the joints near the heaters so there's direct penetration on those joints. So it's going to be very important that there's heaters on every angle of the sauna front, back, sides, under the calf. So it's all about penetration because it's increasing the blood flow to the joint, reducing inflammation. That's really kind of what's going on. It's making a person with rheumatoid or any type of arthritis actually feel better. So again, thanks for joining us. This is Greg and Miriam with Vital Health Saunas.